This is the final video to solve Adobe Premiere Pro error code 24 during installation, and I'm going to share every possible way to fix it so you can definitely install Premiere without this problem again. Are you also facing this issue where Creative Cloud stops the install and shows error 24? This error happens when Premiere can't create or access the right folders on your PC. It usually appears because of permission problems, broken install files, blocked folders, or old leftover Adobe data. Most fixes online are complicated and confusing, and they don't explain why the error even happens. When I faced the same issue, I tried everything people suggested, but nothing worked. Then I used one simple trick that instantly fixed error 24 and let Premiere install smoothly. It's easy, safe, and doesn't require any advanced steps. In this video, I'm going to explain every method that actually works, so you won't waste time with random solutions. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do to fix this error on any Windows computer. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial for your exact setup, just comment below and I'll make it. This is Rexisht, and this is the last video you will need to fix Adobe Premiere Pro error code 24.